Hello and welcome to the CPS Inspires Update. I'm Craig Bernbach at York Elementary School, where some very organized fifth graders found a way to leave a legacy at their school while at the same time ensuring that their final days of elementary school would be filled with just a little bit more fun. York Elementary fifth graders had a recess problem.
Every time we get out here, other classes take the 6 square before we can get it.
Whenever another class would want to get on one, sometimes there would be a small argument.
Playground coach Anita Brewer overheard the kids' conversation.
They were talking, they're like, we need more 6 square because, as you can see, we only have 2 small 4 squares and 1 medium-sized 4 square and then 1 6 square. And I said, so why don't we ask for one? And they're like, can we do that? I'm like, absolutely, let's just ask.
But before they could ask, the students needed to prepare. And that's where fifth grade teacher Mallory LeCount came in.
They came up with, they wanted to do a presentation, and Coach Anita approached me and said, would this be okay? And things just kind of took off from there.
Reason 4, we all enjoy playing it a ton.
The presentation was prepared for Principal Dawn Harris.
So I got invited to their classroom and they had put this presentation together of the reasons why they should get another 6 square court. It was amazing.
It made me feel so, this is going to sound kind of cheesy, but professional. It made me feel so like, wow, I'm so mature right now. It made me kind of feel like I'm on Shark Tank.
Caleb Williams was the presenter. Emma Waters clicked through the slides, but they had help from the entire class.
Well, it was fun to work together as a team and I enjoyed it.
In conclusion, we have...
And the staff enjoyed it too.
Beyond impressed. Like, it can make me teary-eyed how happy and proud I am of this group.
It was a really powerful thing, I think, for all of us to see these kids come together and really change something for the school.
Yes, they did make a change, as the request was approved.
I kind of tricked them a little bit. I went in, I say, hey guys, I heard from the building improvement request. It's not good. And they all kind of looked at me and go, it was great.
Literally, I think I jumped with joy, like very high. I was super excited.
Well, not surprised because I knew we were going to get it.
How come?
Because who can resist kids?
She's got a good point. And last week, the painters arrived and the new 6 square court appeared. These fifth graders get to play on the court for the rest of this school year, which solves their recess problem, but it also solves recess problems for many years to come.
Wow, I'm leaving something behind for other people to enjoy, something for other people to use.
We talked about that, like how it was going to be here, like if we come back to the school or something, we'll be like, yeah, we made that right there.